The promise of pharmaceutical manufacturing is absolute uniformity. Every tablet must be identical to the last, because variation is a direct patient safety issue. But this creates an immediate paradox. Despite our strict requirement for perfect consistency, every physical process naturally and unavoidably varies. No two batches of raw material behave identically. And as you can see with these rotary tablet press punches, heavy machinery physically wears down over time, making exact replication impossible. Since eliminating variation entirely is physically impossible, the true skill in manufacturing is simply knowing when a variation actually means something is broken. When an operator sees a slight shift in a measurement, like tablet weight, their immediate instinct is to adjust the machine back to the target. This habit is called tampering. It happens when we react to normal background noise as if it is a real emergency signal. Looking at this scatter plot, a stable wave of data points is easily disrupted. When we introduce an adjustment, marked by this wrench, based on normal noise, the math compounds the error. The subsequent data points swing wildly out of bounds into chaotic extremes. The traditional alternative to this chaotic process control is 100% finished product inspection. But as you watch this manual inspection of finished bottles, notice that end-of-line sorting merely catches failures. It does absolutely nothing to prevent them. Relying heavily on inspection means that by the time you find a defect, you have already paid to manufacture it. It is an expensive, reactive trap that chases phantoms instead of fixing root causes. To escape this trap, we use Statistical Process Control, or SPC. This is a mathematical method for listening to a process over time, allowing us to tell ordinary variation apart from meaningful change. SPC divides variation into two distinct buckets. The first is common cause variation. This is the inherent, predictable noise of the process breathing normally. It can only be improved if management overhauls the entire system. This diagram shows the second bucket, special cause variation. Following the path on the right, you see a sudden spike. This represents an unpredictable, specific event, like a worn punch or a new raw material lot, that an operator can actually investigate and remove. Treating a common cause like a special cause, or doing the reverse, guarantees you will apply the wrong fix and actually make the process worse. Confusing these two types of variation is the single most expensive error in process control. SPC exists entirely to prevent that mistake. The primary tool we use to accomplish this is the control chart, which constantly asks one simple objective question: has this process changed? This chart uses historical data to calculate control limits. These boundaries are drawn dynamically based on the data spread, representing the voice of the process. Expanding the view, wider specification limits sit far outside. These represent the voice of the customer and are entirely separate. By using the process's own math as an early warning smoke alarm, we shift our facility from detecting failures at the end of the line to preventing them while the machine is still running. Over the next 7 modules and roughly 3 hours, you will learn how to build and read these charts. We will cover every formula in plain English before we ever touch mathematical notation. You will follow a fictional case study, Meridian Therapeutics, tracking real-world manufacturing scenarios across blending, packaging, and device assembly. You will use their messy, realistic data to build the 4 core statistical charts: X-bar, R, P, and C, step by step. This diagram illustrates the supreme law of the entire course: stability before capability. On the left, a stable control chart elegantly transforms into a neat, capable bell curve. On the right, an unstable chart fails to form any coherent shape, making the resulting curve a complete fiction. You simply cannot calculate how good a process is if that process isn't predictable first. The control chart is the mandatory gatekeeper to all quality metrics. This course requires absolutely no calculus or advanced statistics. All you need to bring is basic arithmetic and professional curiosity. SPC is a tool designed to support scientific decision-making. It does not replace your own subject matter expertise, your risk management protocols, or rigorous human investigation. Our ultimate goal is for you to confidently read a control chart, know exactly what it is telling you, and replace instinct-based guessing with hard data. It is time to stop chasing phantoms and secure your process. Let's begin Module 1, so the data can speak for itself before a regulator.